Hello, my name is Eliska Holzerova. I'm coming from the Czech Republic, from a tiny town called Vsetín, and I did my university studies in Prague. And then I moved to Germany, where I'm doing now my PhD.
Hello, my name is Silvia. I come from the northeast of Italy. At the moment I'm working in Salzburg under the supervision of Barbara Kofler.
Hi, my name is Lavinija Matakovic and I come from Croatia. Currently I am doing my PhD at the Salk University Hospital in Salzburg, Austria, under the supervision of Dr. Johannes Meyer.
I believe that the MIT project is very great since it gives you the possibility to grow as a scientist. In fact, you can work in very good labs like my lab, and you can learn different techniques and shares your idea with great scientists. Moreover, with the fact that we can have this exchange, like I was in Bologna last winter for 4 months, and you have different environments, different way of thinking, it helps you really to grow 360 degrees as a scientist. Moreover, there are different workshops that are offered by the project, and they are technique based. For example, when the workshop are made by other labs, but also we had, for example, a very nice workshop in Rome about science communication, and I found it very interesting because they teach us how to communicate our project to both a scientific public but also a less scientific public, as a public that is not doesn't have a very strong scientific background. This has been very useful, for example, to create my poster for this symposium and to find a way to explain my project in an easier manner.
We are a group of students which can meet and have the same background, and we are going to establish the next generation of the mito research in Europe, and that's why I'm happy that I already know most of the people, and it will lead to a great collaboration later.
The MIT Fellowship gave me opportunity to participate at different international conferences, and it allows me to take a secondment in the high quality research lab.
Within my project, I'm studying a very rare mitochondrial disorders where we have only 1 or 2 patients, but I still take my time to find the biochemistry behind this disorder in order to find the best treatment for the patients. And we are also trying to describe the phenotype or the symptoms of our patients. Then we can help the next one with the best pills, drugs, treatment. So I'm happy to do this.
The mitochondrial energy metabolism depends on distinct cofactors, which are often derived from different vitamins. However, their relevance in disorders of this metabolism is not fully understood. So my project has a focus on the identification of novel defects in the cofactor metabolism in a unique cohort of patients. And my current project involves the development of various functional assays. We got some exciting data that I'm really happy about. It will help us to understand the pathomechanism of these diseases and set the basis for potential therapeutic strategies.
My project is about metabolic targeting of solid cancer. What does this mean? It means that many cancer cells present a different metabolism compared to normal cells. They rely more on the glycolysis compared to the mitochondrial respiration. This means that cancer cells tend to use more glucose as source of energy compared to other source of energy that could be fat or protein. This difference can be used by us to try to target specifically the cancer cells compared to the normal cells. Indeed, for example, we are studying the ketogenic diet, that is a high-fat, low-glucose diet. In this way, the attempt would be to try to starve the cancer cells that rely on glucose consumption, where the normal cells are able to metabolize the fat and use it as a source of energy.
I'm very happy to be here, that I can meet all the patients and see the real people. We only have the samples and it's some kind of not the real contact. Therefore, we also are trying to meet you, and we prepared a nice booklet for children, so you can see our projects, you can improve our ideas, and you can maybe send us when you color them.
I hope this symposium will expand people's understanding of the mitochondrial diseases, and I'm really happy to be part of this. I look forward to meeting all of you. Bye!
I'm very grateful that I have the possibility to be here today and to have the occasion to exchange with all of you knowledge and experiences that will help me to improve in my work. So thank you everybody for coming.